Imagine asking one question, and instead of spending hours opening website after website, you receive a clear answer. With sources you can check, related questions you didn't even think to ask, and a smarter way to research. This is why millions of people are now using Perplexity AI. Some call it an AI search engine. Others say it's an AI research assistant. Whatever you call it, one thing's certain: Perplexity AI is changing how people search for information online. But is it better than Google? Can it replace ChatGPT? Is it useful for students, professionals, content creators, and business owners? In this video, you'll learn everything about Perplexity AI, how it works, its biggest features, real-world uses, limitations, and how to become a power user in 2026. Let's begin. First, what is Perplexity AI? It's an AI-powered answer engine that helps you research topics by generating conversational answers while pointing you toward supporting sources. Instead of showing just a list of links, it summarizes information to make research faster, saving you time especially when tackling new topics. Here's how it works. When you ask a question, Perplexity searches relevant info, analyzes it, generates a readable response, and provides references so you can explore original sources yourself. This mix of AI explanation plus source links makes it a research powerhouse. Compared to traditional search engines, which give you pages of links to sift through, Perplexity organizes info into one flowing conversation. Instead of searching again and again, you ask follow-up questions naturally. Research becomes a dialogue, not a rabbit hole of tabs. And compared with ChatGPT? ChatGPT shines at writing, brainstorming, coding, and productivity tasks. Perplexity AI excels when your main goal is researching topics with clear sources. Many pros switch between both, picking the best tool for the task. Imagine making a YouTube video about electric cars. Instead of dozens of website searches, you ask Perplexity for an overview, then dive into battery tech, charging infrastructure, and future trends. Each answer builds on the last, speeding up research and keeping it organized. Students, listen up. Use Perplexity to crack tough subjects, explore science, learn history, find sources, and prep assignments. Just remember, always follow your school's rules and double-check important info. Business owners and entrepreneurs, Perplexity helps you research markets, competitors, customer trends, and tech innovations. It organizes info and points you toward deeper investigation starting points to grow your edge. Professionals, whether prepping presentations, learning new skills, decoding regulations, or following industry trends, Perplexity makes researching faster and more efficient. One of Perplexity's biggest perks is follow-up questions. Instead of starting fresh each time, just keep the conversation going. The AI remembers context and helps you dig deeper.